what's poppin'? It's your girl Robin, and we're back at it again with another video. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I got this bomb look on this hair that I got from Elva Hair. Thank you, Elva, for sponsoring this video. If you guys want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it. Y'all, so right off the back, my wig cap is rolling up. We're having a malfunction, but I just don't feel like starting over, so yeah, I'm just gonna continue. If you see my hair, it's because my cap is rolling up, and yeah, so far I don't know. I really like the color though. I think this is gonna be pretty once I define the curls and everything. Guys, I'm literally acting like I never installed a wig a day in my life. Like, I'm acting so out of whack. I did not even cut my little slits so I could really get up in there. Like, your girl is really acting brand new right now. I don't know why, but we're gonna get it together. This part kind of lifted up, so I'm gonna go back and tack this side down, and then I'm probably gonna do this side off camera because I'm getting stressed out. But I'm gonna come back once everything is tacked down so that we can go ahead and tie it down, melt it further, and really get it together.
Trying to pull us down with such mess. Why can't they let us live just like the rest and keep us out of all this crazy madness? And when they talk, I think it's just a shame that all they do is sit and think my name, when all that I do is mainly sit and think about my baby and me. And baby, they can't believe they can't. You and me are together. That's why they should have never said never. Yeah, there were times when we thought that you and me could never be together. That's why we should have never said never. Said never. About the way me and you get down. What are they jealous or they hate me? I guess they all have their own PhDs. I wish that they would just stop sweating me. Stop trying to get the best of me. No matter what they say, baby, gotta move on 'cause we're gonna be epic. Didn't get the thoughts that we had. Didn't get the words that we said. Even from the love we now say never. Yeah, yeah. Said all they just see when that would be never.
Alright you guys, this is the completed look. This is what we came up with. I was scared because my install did not start out the best, but I think we got a really good ending product. Elva, I am definitely impressed by you guys. The curl pattern of this hair is beautiful. It was pretty easy to install. The lace gave me a good melt. I'm not quite sure if it's HD or transparent or whatever the case is. Like always, it'll be in the description box or I will put it up on the screen at some point in the video. But yes, guys, I definitely enjoyed this hair. It's very fly and go. I use my olive oil ORS wrap and set mousse to go ahead and define the curls. Normally, I'll wet the curls and add product to it, but today I just decided to put mousse on the dry hair to keep some of the volume in the hair. So I really like how it turned out. Also guys, when I was bleaching the knots on this wig, I over bleached. So on this side, that's why I did the side part, because I don't know if you can see, but it's over bleached in this area. I did end up using some purple shampoo to neutralize the bleach, and it ended up getting in the hair. So the hair might look a little bit different. The blonde tones in the hair might look a little bit different than what you might receive because I did use the purple shampoo. So if you like how my hair looks, you could definitely just use purple shampoo in the hair to neutralize the brassy tones. I will put up a picture of what the hair looks like on the website so you guys can kind of see what it will look like. It is not dry, so that is another thing to consider. The color does look different because it's not dry yet. If you guys are interested in shopping with Elva wigs, I will have my coupon code on the screen so you guys can save some money. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.